Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. And this is going to be a video walkthrough of our 2021 Bennington 21 SX. This is a 21-foot pontoon boat that will be equipped with a 115 Yamaha motor. This boat is has the smoky granite paneling, and we're going to walk right on down this boat. It has really nice pop with the silver railing. We have the really nice four-prong ladder to get into this boat very easily. As you walk into the boat here, right on your left is a nice sun pad, and that flips open for lots of storage. We got the nice L-shaped seating here with the table. Then coming around over here with the captain's chair, very convenient controls right here. We do have the Striker 4 Garmin fish finder, the kicker stereo. Up through here you have the nice long bench seat. Now under all these seats is a lot of storage in this boat, so plenty of storage. This has the very nice Simtex material. It's 30% cooler than the traditional vinyls and mold and mildew resistant, so it doesn't stick to your skin. It's very pliable, very durable, and great material that Bennington uses. We got the two tones of browns here with the orange accent. Really nice, really pops on this boat, really cool. And the lines here on the detail with the white stitching just really makes this boat look really sharp. Really cool feature is these flip up. You got the garbage can there. It's just a really nice feature. We do have the side access door along with the front door and the rear door, so 3 points of entering or exiting this boat. We do get these boats. They have equipped with a 10-foot bimini. And so this boat is also going to be equipped with the full cover that comes with the boat. So come on out and check this boat out. Plenty of fun on this boat for water skiing, tubing, cruising around on the lake. Just all around fun on this Bennington. So it is here at our store ready for you guys to come and look at here in Greenville, or you can check it out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can just give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, this is a 2021 21-foot Bennington SX pontoon boat with a Yamaha 115 motor. Thank you.